Menteri Rangba ka Jella Conrad K Sangma, ulapan bana bay ka Marriot Hotel, ka badai ka hotel ka bahetam ka thansate lamingi kari India. On plie paidbah no ya ka singsa jan ka khatsau tarik Kyllalyngkot arajar apholai. Ya ka ne Menteri Rangba ulapan bana ba ajingkran, ha ka jingalang bu mau rim, ha kenton opar Shillong, ban penpui syakit liuying jong kasnong lengka banong kse, ha ka singi thoding ka khatlai tarik Kyllalyngkot arajar apholai. Menteri Rangba ulong, baleng ba ka hotel kalong ka jingkar kui ki samla jong ka Jella bagini okam yu jam. Ulai turu ba ka hotel kadang hadu shispa kandai pusan teli ki kamera. Bat ka ka 5-star hotel ka baar hapu ka Jella, hadin ka touch bibanta ka badang shida plishan hawa arajar arpoar.
Marriott and all these hotels have their own procedures to clear before they can fully open to the public. But the hotel is now complete and will be handed over to the Marriott team. And I'm hopeful that within the next 2 to 3 to maximum 4 weeks, we will open the bookings also. But tomorrow will be the official handing over and the soft launch of the Marriott Hotel, the second 5-star hotel in our state. It has taken 50 years for us to have a 5-star hotel. Taj Vivanta is functioning wonderfully, and the Marriott is going to start. And the Marriott, so that you all feel really nice about this, the Marriott is the biggest hotel in the Northeast. So a lot of people think that Guwahati would have had the biggest hotel, but no. We in Shillong, in Meghalaya, have the biggest hotel in the whole of Northeast. It has about close to 195 rooms, which makes it the biggest hotel in the entire Northeast. So that's another great news for people in the state and in the city, and a great news for the tourist. And I'm sure that it will lead to a lot of job creation. I was speaking to the owners and asking them how many jobs will be created. They said roughly about 120 people have already been employed. And I asked them how many of them are local people. They said almost 70-75% are local people who are working in the hotel. And that's the same thing for even the Taj. So a lot of job creation is happening directly. And you'll be happy to know, I can see a lot of young women faces out here, that almost 70% of the workers who have been employed locally are women. And so I'm sure that Marriott will also have the same openings and an opportunity for our youth. And the direct employment is one, but the indirect employment that will be created through creation of other activities, whether it's the tourism activity or the restaurants and other aspects, will be much, much larger. So it's a great news for us, and I thought that I'd take this opportunity to share that with you. The reason being because it was during Hamlet's time as the Urban Affairs Minister that we had really worked hard to push this, and though he's not there as Urban Affairs right now, I think it's only fair to mention it in his presence and to give the due credit to him for all the hard work that he did as Urban Affairs Minister.